Hello everyone, welcome to part 87 of Laravel 10 series in which we are creating the e-commerce website. So now we are going to start working on the product listing page. Okay, so we have done the home page. You can see that we have completed the home page and all the things are coming dynamically. See this header menu that is coming dynamically, the categories, subcategories, and you can see the banners are also coming dynamically from the admin panel. Okay, and these fixed banners are also coming dynamically from the admin panel, and we have shown the top trending products as well, like the new levels, best sellers, discounted, featured. Okay, you can show in this layout or you can show in this layout, like new level products, featured products. Okay, so like this we able to complete the home page, we able to show the products as well as banners from the admin panel and also the navigation bar. Okay, so now the next page is the listing page. If we click on any of the link, like if we click on men, if you click on the category link or the subcategory link, see we will go to the certain page, like if we will click on this men link, all the men products and all the subcategories, like t-shirt, shirt, jackets, will show up in the men. Okay, but if you will open the subcategory link like t-shirts, then only the t-shirts products will open. Like if you click on shirts, means we will open the shirts listing page, then only shirts products will come. Okay, so we are going to create that listing page. Now we are going to work on that listing page, and in the design I want to show you that how the listing page looks like. Okay, so this is our template, and here you can see listing without filter, listing with filter. We are going to work on listing with filters for now. This is the listing page. Okay, so whenever the customer, the user clicks on any of the menu item, okay, we will take that person to the listing page of that. Like if the user clicks on men, then we are going to show all the men products. Okay, so see, any category will come in men. That means this men is the parent category of these subcategories like t-shirts, shirts, jeans and shorts. If the user clicks on men, then we are going to show the products of all these subcategories. Okay, and if the user clicks on the subcategory like t-shirts, then we will only show the t-shirts products. Okay, like this. So let's start working on this thing. So first thing is we are going to create the product controller. Okay, so let's create the product controller here for our project. Project 10 is our folder. Right click, services, new terminal folder. You know how to run the artisan command. If you are in Windows, then you must know that how to run the artisan command. PHP artisan make controller, and here we are going to create the product controller, and we're going to create under front product controller, and the controller must be singular. See, few times we have created the plural as well, but it's better if we will create it singular. Like instead of products controller, we are going to make it product controller. Okay, so we will create this one as we are going to work on this. So now first of all we are going to create the route. Okay, so in web.php we are going to create the front route. Okay, I'm going to close this admin route, and we're going to create the route here. But first of all we are going to include uh, the category model as well. Okay, first we are going to include the category model. Use app models category. Okay, so after including the model, now we are going to create the route in for each loop. First we are going to get all the categories from the categories table. Like this is the categories table. We are going to get all the routes, all the urls of the category in the for each loop. Okay, so all we are going to pick here from the URL in the for each loop. Then we are going to create its route, so that the route will get created for all the categories listings. Okay, of all the categories pages, we are going to create the route in the for each loop. First we will get the URL and we'll use it in for each loop. We are doing that because we want the direct, like direct slash men slash woman. Okay, like this. So now we are going to get here. First of all, we will write something like there is always, so we need to add the commands that will help us listing category routes. Okay, so here I'm going to take one variable like cat urls. Okay, here category model that we have already included. So we are going to select the url, and where status must be 1 always. We will select only the only those categories that are active, get, and then finally we are going to use the plug that will convert it to an array url. Okay, so this one we are going to first check that whether the category urls are coming here, all the category urls are coming here. Okay, so I'm going to check it like this one. I will see, like, see all the category urls are coming here: clothing, electronics, appliances, men, women, kids, t-shirts, women shirts, jackets. Okay, so all are coming here, so it's working perfectly. So now I'm going to use the for each loop, in which I will loop through all these categories. Okay, so that we can create the routes for all. So here I'm going to create here route like route get route we're going to create for all. Okay, so simply I'm going to add here dollar $url. Okay, in the beginning, the first one, that is the dollar $url, we're going to add it here. Okay, dollar $url for all the routes. We're going to use all these as routes. Okay, so the next one is the product controller, that is our model name, so sorry, controller name that we have earlier created. So now its name is not product controller, it is product controller. Okay, and sorry, here it is not required. Okay, so we are going to remove this one. Add the rate of listing. Okay, so listing, sorry, we are going to add here and then close here. Okay, like this. And now see, so now we are going to see that it will work fine or not, I'm not sure. Let's see, like if we are going to open the men category, then it is actually see, it is listing does not exist. Yeah, it is working fine. Okay, it is working fine. Now we are going to create this listing function inside the product controller. Okay, so in front we are going to create the listing function now. Okay, so let's let's create the listing function here, public listing function for displaying all the category products. Okay, so here we are going to pick the url. Okay, we are going to pick the url from route itself. We are going to use the get facet route, get facet get facet route. Okay, this is the built-in function that we are going to use to find the current url that the user open. Okay, uri, like this. So we can check it once that it will work or not. Maybe we are required to add the classes. Okay, so like if the user will open the men category. Okay, so we can see there is some issue. Route get route current uri. Okay, so there is one silly mistake, I forgot to mention the public function. Okay, so that's why don't do such kind of silly mistake at your end. Okay, so route see, like I have told you that we are required to add something. Yes, we are required to add that route here. Use eliminate here sport route class, we are required to add facets and then route. Okay, and one more thing we're going to add here, we are going to add here the category model as well, that we have created earlier in the beginning of the series, in fact. Okay, so now we are going to check once again and see the men here will come up here as well. So the route is coming here, coming for us. Okay, like this we will get the route here. Okay, so after getting the route, we are going to check that whether this route exists or not. and if the route exists, then it's fine, that we will continue. If the route does not exist, we will send the user to the 404 page. Okay, so we will create one category count variable. We will take one variable in which we are going to count from the category model. Here again, once again, we are going to check the URL that we have just get from the that function. Okay, and also we are going to check that the status must be active. Okay, so if it's fine, like if the count, if their count value is this must be greater than 0, then it's fine. Then it means the category exists in the database and is active. Okay, if it is greater than 0, then means it means that category exists. Okay, we will just display like category exists for now. Category exists, it means it is fine. Else we will send the user to the 404 page, about 404. Okay, like this. So let's do, like if we will refresh now, see, it means the category exists because the main categories already exist. Like if we will open t-shirts, see, t-shirts does not exist, so it is taking us to 404 page. From there we can open the other categories as well, like man t-shirt, its name is t-shirts without hyphen, so now it will go to the categories. So earlier one is not going because its name is t-shirts, not t hyphen shirts, so that's why it is taking the user to the 404 page. Okay, so it is working fine. Only those categories we can open that actually exists, that's URL actually exists in the categories table. Okay, otherwise it will send the user to the 404 page. So after the category exists, then we are going to get the category details as well as the category products. Okay, all the categories products, like if we open the t-shirts, then we are going to get all the t-shirt products. Okay, we are going to show all the t-shirts to the user. Okay, like the t-shirts, why the user open the t-shirt, because the user wants the t-shirt, so we will show the t-shirts to the user. Okay, so we will get the complete category details as well as the category products. Okay, so for getting the category details, we are going to create another function in the category model. So I will open the category model here. See, here we are going to create one function here to get the category details from the URL. Okay, that we are going to call here. So we are going to create that function straight away. Public static function category details, and here $URL, we're going to use that URL that we have fetched from that function. Okay, and once again we are going to check, we will find the category details from the categories table. We are going to select a few things like ID. We are going to select the category name as well, and along with that we are going to select the URL. That is enough. Okay, and also we are going to include the subcategories. Okay, subcategories we are already having because we are going to fetch the IDs also, category IDs also. Like see, if we are opening like if we are opening the men, then we will fetch the man category ID, t-shirt category ID, shirt category ID, jackets category ID. Means 4 IDs, because we want to fetch, we want to show all the products that belongs to men, that belongs to t-shirts, that belongs to shirts, that belongs to jackets when the user opens the men category. Okay, we will show the subcategory products as well, we will show the categories products as well. Okay, so that's why we are going to include here these subcategories of that category as well. Okay, so here we will add the condition where URL must be matched with this $URL. Okay, and first and to array. Okay, so here first of all we are going to see whether we able to get the category details of the category that the user opens. So let's see. but we need to call this function here. Okay, so we are going to call this function here. Like I'm going to just comment this one is not required now, and I'm going to write here get category details. So it means the category exists, so that's why we're going to get the category details, get category details from the category model. And this URL we are going to pass to the function to get the category details. I'm going to get the category details like this. Okay, but first I have also added the die here, so I will get its output. So sorry, I need to go to some of the category, like I will go to the main category. Okay, so undefined method get category details. Okay, so our function name is not correct. Okay, here see I have taken the get category details, so here also we are required to create the get category details as well. Okay, so we can also use the variable as get category details, that looks better. See here we able to get the category details as well as the subcategories. Okay, so this complete information we able to get. This is the main category, its URL is main, and these are the subcategories under this main category. So complete details is coming. Okay, so now we need to fetch these category IDs, like this one 4 8, this one ID 10 11. We will put it in one category IDs array. We will take one array, category array, then we'll put all these category IDs in that. Okay, so what I'm going to do here, I'm going to comment this one, and we'll take one array like cat IDs array, so that I will use first one is this one I'm going to add straight away, like get category details. Here I'm going to pick this one, this ID in this array. Okay, after that we will use the for each loop here. In for each loop we will get this category details here, so that we will fetch the, we will get the other ones, like this one ID, this 8 10, this one we will also get. Okay, here I'm going to add here subcategories. Okay, these subcategories I'm going to add here, these subcategories like this. Okay, and this one is not required, we will take it like this, and as subcat. Okay, so here we will again use this cat ID here. Pick that array, sorry I have not taken the array, we need to take the array here. Okay, array, and here all the IDs dollar subcat, and the IDs we are getting here ID, this one like this. Now we get in cat IDs, we will get 4 8 10 11. 4 is the main category ID, and ID 8 10 and 11 is the subcategory ID. So all 4 IDs we will get in one array, that is the cat IDs. Also declare this array, because in some time if there is no ID, we able to get no ID, then there must be no error. Okay, so array like this. So we are going to return this one. Now we will return this one, return an array, like return array. I'm going to pick one array here, we'll write here array like this, and here like cat IDs, I will put here all the cat IDs, this one here. Okay, and then category details, get category details. Okay, get category details. Here we will pick like get category details, or it's our choice that whatever we want to pick, we can use that. Okay, category details here. Okay, like this. I think category details more get category details is long enough. We can use simply that category details as well. Okay, like simple enough that category details we can just simply take category details, because why to take so much long name here, like this category details, and here also we can simply use this like this. Okay, so now we will check whether we are getting all the here, yeah, we are getting everything here that we require. Okay, that's fine. And so in next video we are going to get the category products as well. We are going to get the products from these categories, like we are going to get the products from t-shirts products, shirts products, jacket products. We are going to use these IDs. Okay, we are going to use these IDs, like we are having the IDs in cat IDs A4 8 10 11. So we will write the query in the next video to get the products from 4 ID, 4 category ID, 8 category ID, 10 category ID, and 11 category ID. So we are going to get products from these 4 category IDs. Okay, from these 4 categories. And men is this one, 4 belongs to the men. Okay, we are going to get from the men category. We are going to get from the shirts category, that is having the 10th ID. You can see it's the 10th ID. We are going to get from the shirts category. See, a t-shirt is having the 8, and the shirt is having the 10, and the jacket is having the 11 ID. Okay, so we are going to fetch from all from this parent category as well as these 3 subcategories. Okay, so next video we are going to write the product query to get the products of these categories. Okay, so stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.